Hi, I'm Cillian Kieran. Our team at Ethyca maintain Fides. It's an open source project containing developer tools that allow engineers to build privacy as a feature, not an afterthought of any tech stack. What do we mean by that? In your role as an engineer or a privacy professional, you probably know there are significant technical challenges to ensuring that business systems are behaving consistently with laws like Europe's GDPR or California's CPRA. Whether it's data subject erasure or legal code review, the challenges boil down to two essential problems: data context and data control. So what data do we have? Where does it live? What's its purpose? And here's the really tricky one. Can we effectively enforce privacy-respecting rules on any data at a granular level, even in the codebase? Fides exists to give engineers that context and control. Privacy should be a default part of any system, and we believe the teams building those systems are the only ones who can make this a reality. Fides puts the privacy power into their hands, and the benefits can be felt by every single citizen of the internet. The ecosystem is underpinned by Fides Lang. It's a high-level description language for privacy based on international standards, and it lets engineers describe privacy characteristics of data systems directly in code according to a human-readable taxonomy. On top of the language, Fides' first release includes two tools. The first is a management tool called Fides Control. It comprises a CLI and a server. You can use Fides Control to define privacy rules for your projects and conduct evaluations against those rules. This lets you track privacy metadata directly in Git, conduct privacy reviews as part of any PR, and even build automated privacy checks directly into your CI pipelines. With Fides Control, previously painful legal code review processes can be fully automated. The second tool is Fides Ops. It's all about privacy rights orchestration. It's one thing to erase a contact record from a CRM, it's another to orchestrate fine-grained erasure across a complex web of data infrastructure while ensuring nothing breaks in downstream business systems. We think data engineers dealing with the burden of this work will find huge value in the automated orchestration capabilities of Fides Ops. But what we're most excited about? Well, this is just the beginning. A privacy as code toolset underpinned by consistent privacy metadata in the form of Fides declarations has the potential to redefine what's possible for privacy engineering and our expectations for how respectful systems will behave. In other words, the hardest challenges of privacy by design. Think of identifying and classifying data in distributed systems at scale, making privacy a feature of the support systems that manage the customer relationships, or even building dynamic governance models and policies at the level of an individual user. We hear a lot today about how online privacy is broken. We hear that privacy should be by default, by design, and a basic human right. But up until now, we haven't heard a good solution put forward as to how this might actually be achieved. We believe Fides can be an important step towards a future where all technology systems respect the humans that use them. And since it's completely open source, we hope you'll go check out the repo and join us on the journey.